Introducing Shared Truckload Add-ons by Flock Freight. Flock is rewriting the rules of capacity, finding loads that fill the available space in your trucks. Here's how easy it is to use Shared Truckload Add-ons. To start hauling Shared Truckload Add-ons, book any partial or shared truckload in the Flock platform. As add-on loads become available for your existing Flock loads, we'll notify you via email and platform alerts, ensuring you never miss a chance to boost your earnings. We continuously identify add-on loads for your route even after you've begun your trip, ensuring your truck stays full and maximizes earnings every mile. Click on a load to view more details. Flock's technology surfaces all the details you need to ensure smooth hauling throughout the multiple stops on your route. In this example, the carrier picked up their first Flock load and then booked an add-on load to fill the remaining trailer space for the rest of their route. Carriers earn an average of 77% more revenue and utilize 97% more of their trailer on top of their original booked load. When you're ready to lock in your Shared Truckload Add-on, just click Book Now. Join thousands of Flock carriers that are increasing revenue with Shared Truckload Add-ons.